the man behind CCL, Mr. Vishnu Induri. Huge round of applause for Mr. Vishnu Induri. 12 years ago, you came up with the idea of Celebrity Cricket League. And now, looking at the grand success of this league, what do you have to say about this, sir?
We are happy that the league survived for so many seasons, so many years. To be frank, we never thought the league will be this big when we started. We thought it's a small idea that bringing few teams together. But over the last 12 years, we understood how big this is and how tough it is to handle. The only reason for the survival of this league is the passion with which all the actors turn to be sportsmen on the ground. And many people ask me, how can I manage so many teams, 8 teams, 15 players per team, 120 actors? The only reason is when they step into the ground, they are sportsperson with passion and not actors. That's the only thing that's keeping the league alive. And this season, we all decided to go a step ahead and give something back to the fans who kept the league alive for so many years. From next season, we'll have fans to be part of each of the teams, and they will play with their favorite actors in the center. So this is the promise that we deliver to the fans for all the love they've been showing over the years. And coming back to this season, we had new team owners for the Chennai franchise. Aishwarya Ganesh Garu and Sripriya ma'am, thanks a lot. You have put up such a great show in Coimbatore. And with the love that you showed us, we continued the semis and finals here. Thanks a lot for all your support. And coming back to the final, 2 of my favorite teams, the Bengal Tigers and the Karnataka Bulldozers. The common aspect from both the teams is their passion for the game. And love you, Jishu, love you, Sudeepanna. And one thing I can tell you, as long as Sudeepanna is standing next to me, this league will be going on forever. And thank you for all the other 6 team owners, captains who've been part of this wonderful journey. Without your support, I don't think we can move forward. And Coimbatore cricket fans, you've been amazing. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Coimbatore people, make some noise for yourself. Okay, everyone. So now let's move to the awards of the finals. The first award is the Entertainer of the Final. And to give the award, I would like to request Dr. Vanitha to please come forward. And the award goes to the lady who was super entertaining throughout the match. Please make some noise for Priya Sudeep. Hello. Congratulations, Priya ma'am, for the award of the Entertainer of the Final. Congratulations. Let's move to the next award of the final. The next award is the Best Batsman of the Finals, and the award will be presented by Sneha Setupati ji. And the award goes to the man who has scored 54 runs for Bengal Tigers. He is Joy Mukherjee. An amazing inning by Joy tonight. Unfortunately, the team couldn't win, but he is the best batsman of the finals. Everyone make some noise for Joy Mukherjee. An amazing performance by Joy Mukherjee in the finals. Time for the next award. The next award is the Best Bowler of the Final, and the award will be presented by Mr. Alankar Pandyan. And the award goes to the man who has taken 3 wickets tonight. He's from Karnataka Bulldozers. He's Pratap Narayan. Three very important, very crucial wickets taken by Pratap Narayan in the finals, which led them to lift the trophy. Once again, big congratulations to Pratap Narayan from Karnataka Bulldozers. And now, man of the match of the finals. This award will be presented by Sanvi Sudeep. And the award goes to the man with 69 runs for Karnataka Bulldozers. He is Rajiv Hanu. Here comes the beast from Karnataka Bulldozers, Rajiv Hanu, man of the match of the final match. Congratulations, Rajiv. Well, that's some celebration when you win the final, when you win the trophy. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the next set of awards. It's the series awards. The first award is the best fielder of the series. This award will be presented by Mr. Raj Shah. And the person who has won the award has taken 5 catches, 1 run out. And yesterday we saw him take a catch near the boundary single-handed. The captain of Wells Chennai Kings, Vikrant! Next award is the best batsman of the series. This award will be presented by Shri Priya. This award goes to the man who has scored 322 runs at an average of 80 and strike rate of 230. Once again, it's the captain of Wells Chennai Kings, Vikrant! Big congratulations to the captain of Wells Chennai Kings, Vikrant, for his amazing performance. Next award is the best bowler of the series. This award will be presented by Sanvi. And once again, it's the player from Wells Chennai Kings. He is the player with 9 wickets at an economy of 7.4. He is Adav from Wells Chennai Kings. Make some noise for Adav. Congratulations to Adav. And now, the next award is the man of the series. This award will be presented by Aishri Ganeshan. And the winner of this award has taken 9 wickets. He has taken a hat-trick. He has scored 144 runs at an average of 48 with a strike rate of 200. He is from Bengal Tigers. He is Rahul Mazumdar. Incredible performance by this young lad, Rahul Mazumdar. Big congratulations to Rahul Mazumdar. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before this night, the 2 teams that have reached the finals, they were unbeaten, but only one could lift the trophy. Karnataka Bulldozers, they are the champions, but we can't forget Bengal Tigers. They were unbeaten. Throughout the league, they have showed their mettle, they have proved their mettle, and now it's time to call Bengal Tigers on the stage to receive medals and trophy. I would like to request Mr. Raj Kumar to please come forward and give the medals to the players of Bengal Tigers. I would call them one by one. Please welcome Joy Kumar Mukherjee on stage. Make some noise for the players of Bengal Tigers, everyone. I'll take the name. Please come on stage one by one as I call their name. Next is Indra Sheesh. After Indra Sheesh, it's Boni. After Boni, it's Saurabh Das. Then it's Jamie. Uday Pratap Singh. That's Saurabh Das. That's Jamie, the perfect all-rounder. After Jamie, we have Uday Pratap Singh. Then we have the man of the series, Rahul Mazumdar. Come on, everyone, make some noise. Big round of applause for the runner-ups. Joy Debroy, Yusuf Chishti, Ananda Chaudhary, Ratan Deep, Trambak Roy Chaudhary, Anirban Chakrabarti. Next is Aditya Roy Banerjee. Anshuman Pratyush. And now comes the leader of Bengal Tigers, the captain, Jishu Sen Gupta. Jishu sir, I would like to request you to please come here, and we would also like to give you the runners-up trophy by Mr. Rajkumar. Make some noise for the runner-up team, Bengal Tigers, the captain, Jishu Sen Gupta. Jishu sir, first of all, you know, you were unbeaten. It was the day only one could lift the trophy. What? Yeah, the silver one. You wanted the golden one. But sir, I just want to ask you, how was the experience? What do you think went wrong, or where did the planning didn't work?
As I say, I never plan. We never plan. They played better cricket, that's all.
That's all. Well, thank you so much, sir, and wear that silver with pride because you deserve that. And big round of applause for Jishu Sen Gupta, the captain of Bengal Tigers. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to call the champions on the stage. They were the champions in 2013, champions of 2014, after 12 long, grueling years, near misses. But the spirit was there. And now they are the champions once again, the three-time champions, Karnataka Bulldozers. I would like to request Mr. Vishnu Induri to please give the medals to the winners. I would call the players one by one on stage, starting with Pradeep Bogadi. Make some noise for the winning team players, Pradeep Bogadi. Next is Karthik Jairam. Next is Darling Krishna. Next up, Sunil Rao. Next up, Chandan Kumar. Next, Rajiv Hanu. Next up, Nirup Bhandari. Next, Pratap Narayan. Next up, Arjun Yogi. After Arjun, it's Manjunath Gowda. Next is Karan Aryan. Next, Arun Bachchan. Next is Sagar Gowda. After Sagar, it's Sachin. And now it's time to call the winning team captain, the superstar, the mega star, Kicha Sudeep. Karnataka Bulldozers are officially the champions of CCL 2026. The unbeaten team throughout the season. I would like to request Mr. Vishnu Induri ji to give the trophy to the winning team captain. Kicha sir. Kicha sir, I would like to have a word with you, please. Big congratulations on being the champion again, sir. 2013, 2014, you were the champion. It's been a long wait since then. How's the feeling after 12 long seasons? Once again, Karnataka Bulldozers are the champions.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬುಲ್ಡೋಸರ್ಸ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ love you. It's a great feeling. We have waited a long time and every year we have struggled. This team is a wonderful team and we have always given the best every season, but of course there were better teams, they were coming, better champions were coming. It has been a long, long wait, but then when the waiting is over, you never know how long you waited, do we? It looks like yesterday, but then it's a great feeling, sir.
So I can completely understand that I waited 35 years to meet you once, and finally it's an honor that I'm sharing the stage with you. Please everyone make some noise for the winning captain, Kicha Sudeep. And now it's time for you to lift that trophy.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರದು? I want to congratulate all the teams. I want to congratulate my very favorite buddy standing over there, the Bengal. Wonderful side. We irritate each other a lot on the stadium, but then we party together also. I love you, Jishu. Bappa. Okay. Wonderful side, and I think today finals, I really want to say it was well deserving because two teams undefeated comes, not any other teams, and they deserve to be in the finals. They not only put up a small score, but they gave the fight for it, sir. We love you. It was a great match. Thank you. And Vishnu, without CCL, I don't think these wonderful industries would have come together. Thank you, my friend. You have brought all of us together. You have won a lot of hearts. We are always with you. Thanks that you brought CCL into our lives, that this one season, every year we wait to meet all our friends across India. We all come together. You know, as actors, we all check into the hotels, but never go to the lobby to have food. But here when we come, we are never out of the lobby because we are always sitting over there wanting to meet our friends, all because of my dear friend. Let me tell you, he has gone through a lot of roller coaster to bring CCL here. And Vishnu, you asked me something. We are always with you, my friend. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And it's time for the captain to lift the trophy. And now, it's time for that celebration. I would like to request Karnataka Bulldozers to come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, that's Karnataka Bulldozers. They are the champions of CCL 2026. We will see you in the next season. I'm Kunal Saluja, signing off. Bye-bye.
the winning moment. The reigning champions, Karnataka Bulldozers. The trophy will have their name inked once again. Three-time champions, just one behind four-time champions, Telugu Warriors. They have played clinical cricket, dominant cricket, unbeaten into the finals and through the finish line.
These celebrities, these actors must have numerous trophies in their cabinets. They must be related to their acting, their skills, their talent on the screen. But let me tell you, this very trophy gives a different feeling altogether, because this is what brings them onto the field. This is their moment, and they very well deserve this.
It's been an emotional wait. It's been a hard-earned victory, this, for Karnataka Bulldozers. They gave hope to their fans every year. The moment they came in, they showed that they are here to win. But after so many roadblocks, this victory feels special. This team has played as a very strong unit year in and year out. They have produced heroes match after another. And now is the moment that they have been waiting for. Look at the pride in the eyes of Kicha Sudeep. The hard work has paid off. And this is just the beginning of a long celebration that Karnataka Bulldozers have been waiting for. They have been warriors on field. And this is their time.
The lights in this wonderful stadium of SNR College might go off soon, but the party is gonna last long. It's gonna be a long night for Karnataka Bulldozers and equally for Bengal Tigers. Two well-deserved teams enter the finals. There can be only one winner.
What a season this was. What a final this was. Until next time,